Hey, I'm Joss Burgess, realtor with the Plowman team, and super stoked to take you on a tour of our home for sale, located at 250 Mitchell Avenue in Oshawa. Check it out. What more does a first-time buyer want? We've got it all. Detached, 1.5 story, 2 beds, full bath, living space, dining space, full kitchen, and a beautiful backyard. Fully fenced backyard, detached oversized garage with hydro, a deck with an awesome gazebo for you to hang out on. Thanks so much for taking this tour of our home for sale at 250 Mitchell Avenue in Oshawa. Any questions whatsoever, give the number a call. And don't forget, click below, subscribe, and keep up to date on all our homes for sale.